Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing this thing, Nano Mist Sprayer. You can find it online anywhere, and due to COVID, a widespread of COVID-19, it's being used for sanitization purposes, and people are purchasing it to use as a sanitizer sprayer. Whereas on its pack it's written that moisturizing your skin, and over there its use has been written as it makes your skin full of elasticity and moisturized with ultra high speed vibration technology named super long wave and all those stuff. So it was mainly invented for moisturizing the skin, but now people are using it as a sanitizer spray. So let's see, does it work? So in its pack we find this small little USB cable to charge this device, and here's the charging port. You can charge it with any of your mobile device chargers, and here's the push button from which you can on off the device. And you can put the sanitizer in this thing by opening like this. So we are using alcohol based sanitizer, so let's use it. I'm not feeling any sanitizer on my skin as it's of alcohol base. The very moment it comes out as a mist, much of this sanitizer get evaporated in the atmosphere only. And one more drawback of it is if I'll switch on my fan, and after that I'll try to use it, it would go in other direction, not the same direction which I wanted to get sanitized, where and it's cost around 300 rupees in the Indian market. And it's also, I don't think we should consider it. See, the spray thing is going here and there now under the fan, whereas if I am just using a simple spray thing, you can see it's much more easier to sanitize my hand, and it's cover a wide area. So I would and you can find this type of nozzle anywhere of 15 to 20 rupees in the local market. So I would suggest you to go with this kind of spray, not this, because I don't think it works well due to usage of alcohol based sanitizer. So thank you, and I would recommend this for sure. You should go for this.